Back to SPTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about how to fix automatic restart on your laptop or PC. So let's start. Go to control panel and search here advanced system settings and click here view advanced system settings, and you should click here settings. And guys, system feature automatic restart is, you should untick it and write an event to the system log. You should tick it and click OK and click OK. Now refresh your laptop or PC, and guys, now your automatic restart problem is fixed. So guys, I think in this video you have learned something. So subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.